Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to show you hair extensions. These are clip-on hair extensions that I got from Diva Divine and they are really simple. These are the swatches that I have here. Okay, I haven't had the time to color my hair and I actually want to give it a break because I use a lot of styling products and tools, so I want to avoid the color. So it has this clip, okay, which is just like a TikTok clip. So it's really simple. You just kind of plug it into your hair and clip it on. Okay, let me show you how to do it really quick. Okay, so we're gonna need two things first. That is this tail comb to have a neat partition and these clips. So I'm going to quickly show you how to do it. You take a little portion of your hair and just flip it up. And then you simply just take one of them, open the clip, okay, and I'm going to do it a little at the back side because I have length here and these are pretty long, so you go really close to the partition and just plug it in and spread them out a little bit. Mix it up with your hair. And the hair is just gonna fall on the clip-ons covering it. So there we go. And you just kind of spread them out so they don't look like a chunk colored in one place. Spread them and mix it up with your normal hair. And these are actually made of real hair, so nobody will be able to make out the difference. And they'll just look like highlights in your hair. See? Successfully added color to my hair. I'm liking it. Just this one needs to spread out a little more. Yep. So now that I'm actually done fixing these hair extensions, I am going to check the length of them. Okay, be gentle with the extensions. They look real, but you also clip them onto your real hair. Okay, so take a comb and just check the length. Now this is the extra length here, right here. I don't know if you guys can see. Okay, so I'm gonna have to cut off this much just in the front. So I have just cut off a little bit of it in the front to actually match the length in the front. Okay, The behind ones are okay, they're just like that big, so you can skip cutting that, and you'll have to do the same on this other side. Make sure you're also seeing what cut your hair has, otherwise it's just going to look weird. That's it. Now they're the same length and have mixed them up really well. So now you just kind of, I'm ironing them because I feel it's just a little simpler, but you can tong them, you can do anything. They're just like your real hair. Also, just remember, if you're using them like very on and often, and if you've used some product or something, you will have to wash these, okay? Now, and you can just wash them like how you wash your normal hair. Use a good shampoo, use a good conditioner, and then let them just dry like on a thick piece of tissue or on a napkin or something. Let it just normally dry by itself. If you do that, then they're gonna last you for really long. You can reuse them, and you don't always need to keep on going to a salon for hair extensions and all. I think this is a wonderful idea, especially since I am not planning to color my hair anytime soon. We have the festive season on, all of that. So yeah. So now this is the final look. Before you step out, just kind of mix it up with your real hair so it looks more natural. Otherwise you're just going to see like a chunk. Also go check out their page. They have like a lot of variety in extensions, and they have a tape extension which is like an entire thing. Then they have these single piece extensions, so go check them out. It's wonderfully done. So this is the look for today, guys, with my new hair extensions. Really simple, really easy, really fast. So if you guys have liked my video today, then like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, do not forget to check out the page of Diva Divine Hair on Instagram, and go check out what variety they have to offer. That was all for now. See you guys soon.